Hi there, students. A colloquy. A colloquy. Okay, this is a posh formal word for a conversation. Okay, but normally it's a formal conversation. The two negotiating parties were in colloquy. So to be in colloquy, to be in conversation. When I came into the room, I saw that the lawyer was in colloquy with his client. Or maybe in a court, a judge is explaining to the defendant what's happening and the defendant's right. So the judge was in colloquy with the defendant. Yeah, he was talking to him. But normally this is a formal conversation, or you could also use this word, a colloquy, for a discussion, but a high level and serious discussion. Yeah, there was a colloquy between the members of the committee in order to decide what they were going to do next. The organisation had a colloquy of it with its leading members. Yeah, a conference, a high level discussions about something. You can also use this word to talk about a conference on religious or theological things. Yeah, so I guess you might call when the cardinals are choosing the new pope, maybe they are in colloquy about who they should choose and the reasons why. But I think a colloquy, a formal discussion. So a colloquy is to be held between the police and leading members of the group. Yeah. Okay. So it's effectively just a word for a conversation, discussions about things. When we came into the room, they stopped their colloquy. Yeah, they stopped their conversation. Maybe what they were talking about was private. Okay, this is a pretty formal word. I think I'm probably going to give it 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. Yeah, I use it in a semi-formal writing. I wouldn't even use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, this comes from Latin colloquium, which you can split down to con, with, and loquium, from loquor, speak. Okay, so to speak with someone, yeah, colloquium, a conversation. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Colloquium. Colloquy.